Welcome to our comprehensive guide on how to edit your college information on your Facebook page. Follow these simple steps to update your educational details. To begin, open the Facebook app and log into your account. Next, tap the menu icon located in the top right corner, represented by 3 horizontal lines. Scroll down and select Pages. Now, switch to your desired page by tapping the down arrow next to the profile photo at the top of the screen. Once on your page, tap your page's profile picture to access the settings. Locate and tap the edit icon positioned at the top right corner of the screen. Scroll down to the bottom and select Edit Your About Info. Under the Education section, find and tap the pencil icon next to your college information. Make the necessary changes by tapping Edit School and inputting the updated details. Lastly, ensure to save your modifications by tapping the Save option at the bottom of the screen. Congratulations! You have successfully updated your college information on your Facebook page. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more informative guides and tutorials.